Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate lava cake using air fryer. And here are the ingredients. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, 100 grams of milk chocolate, 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of butter, and a mixing bowl. First, mix all the chocolate as well as the butter into a mixing bowl. Heat them up in a water bath and melt them together. In another bowl, pour all the other ingredients, the sugar, vanilla, as well as the flour, and mix your batter until it's smooth. Next, into the batter, add your chocolate mixture and stir until well combined. Finally, pour your batter into 3 smaller cake molds. And they're ready to be baked, or in this case, air fried. Air fry your cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and later at 140 degrees Celsius for 3 more minutes. And there you have it, the perfect chocolate lava cake, crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside. Enjoy!